Best heart rate monitors for every fitness enthusiast in 2023. Hello everyone. So today we've broken down the top 5 products in the business, so it will be easier for you to pick out the correct option. If you enjoy this video, a sub to the channel would be fabulous. Make sure to check out the description below for more information and its latest pricing. Best for beginners, Polar H9. Many of the best heart rate monitors have one major drawback: price. That's where the Polar H9 comes in. This is a chest strap heart rate monitor from the biometric experts at Polar that's surprisingly affordable, putting it within reach of runners and cyclists who are keen to get more serious about their training but can't justify the price of a top-end monitor. Polar launched the H9 in 2020 as a low-cost alternative to its top-end H10. As a chest strap monitor from a brand that specializes in biometrics, you can be confident in the accuracy and immediacy of its readings. And it's compatible with a wide array of third-party apps and devices. What you need is the ability to connect to multiple Bluetooth devices simultaneously, or the ability to store data from workouts for syncing later, both of which are offered by the more expensive H10. It ultimately comes down to priority, but if cash is limited, then the Polar H9 is one of the best heart rate monitors you can buy. Best value, Wahoo TICKR X. The Wahoo TICKR X heart rate monitor is a top-of-the-line product with several impressive features. First, it's a sleek, stylish, and functional design, with a comfortable strap that fits snugly around your chest, while providing a decent amount of moisture-wicking properties. But what sets the TICKR X apart is its advanced technology. With an internal memory that can store up to 50 hours of workout data, this heart rate monitor allows you to track your progress over time, even if your smart devices are not within reach. But the TICKR X goes beyond just basic tracking. It also features a running smoothness index, which measures your running efficiency and provides insights on improving your form and performance. This can be a game changer for serious athletes who want to take their training to the next level. In addition to its impressive features, the TICKR X is also highly compatible with various fitness platforms. It also offers both Bluetooth and ANT+ connectivity, making it easy to sync with your favorite apps and devices. This means you can easily track your progress and share your data with others, no matter what platform you prefer to use. Overall, the Wahoo TICKR X heart rate monitor is a must-have for anyone serious about their fitness goals. Its advanced features, sleek design, and compatibility with various platforms makes it a standout product in the market. Best battery life, Garmin HRM-Dual. The Garmin HRM-Dual is another excellent heart rate monitor designed for athletes who require consistent accuracy and performance. This device offers dual transmission, meaning it can send heart rate data through both ANT+ and Bluetooth connections, allowing seamless integration with your favorite fitness devices and apps. The HRM-Dual boasts a sturdy and comfortable strap, ensuring it remains in place during even the most intense workouts. We love that you can also easily wash the strap by simply removing the heart rate monitor module. If you hate charging a heart rate monitor between uses or on a daily basis, the Garmin HRM-Dual has a battery that lasts up to 3.5 years, so you don't have to worry about frequent charging. The device is also water resistant up to 1 meter, making it an excellent option for indoor and outdoor workouts, but not ideal for water sports enthusiasts. The Garmin HRM-Dual is compatible with various Garmin devices, including the Forerunner and Phoenix series, making it a perfect choice for Garmin users. Additionally, the device is compatible with various fitness apps, including Strava, MyFitnessPal, and Endomondo, making it a versatile heart rate monitor for all fitness enthusiasts. Best for Peloton users, Peloton Heart Rate Band. Designed primarily for the Peloton fitness platform users, the Peloton Heart Rate Band easily syncs with the Peloton app and provides accurate, real-time heart rate data. Its sleek, minimalist design makes it comfortable to wear during workouts, with an easily adjustable strap for a secure fit. While it may not offer the advanced features of other heart rate monitors, this band is perfect for Peloton users, or those who want a simple yet efficient gadget for tracking their progress. Our favorite part of this strap is the light-up LED that changes colors based on a user's heart rate zone. This feature makes it easy to quickly glance at the monitor during an intense workout to understand the intensity of your cardiovascular state at any time. The heart rate monitor's long-lasting battery life, which holds a 10-hour charge, and Bluetooth connectivity makes it an excellent option for keeping tabs on your heart rate during your favorite fitness classes. The Peloton heart rate band is compatible with various Peloton devices, including the Peloton Bike, Bike Plus, Tread, and Row, making it a perfect choice for Peloton users. Additionally, the device is compatible with various fitness apps, including Apple Health and Google Fit, making it a versatile heart rate monitor for all fitness enthusiasts. Most comfortable, Wahoo TICKR Fit. The Wahoo TICKR Fit is a highly accurate, forearm-worn heart rate monitor that features optical sensors and Bluetooth ANT Plus connectivity. Its sleek, comfortable design ensures a secure fit during your workouts, minimizing any potential interruptions. With up to 30 hours of battery life and the ability to integrate with over 50 smartphone apps, the Wahoo TICKR Fit is perfect for athletes looking for a simple yet effective way to track their heart rate. Its IPX7 water resistance makes it suitable for various environments and activities, from running to cycling, ensuring you're covered no matter your workout routine. The Wahoo TICKR Fit is compatible with various fitness apps, including Wahoo Fitness, Strava, and Runkeeper, making it a perfect choice for fitness enthusiasts who want to keep track of their progress. Additionally, the device is compatible with various gym equipment, including treadmills, ellipticals, and rowing machines, making it a versatile heart rate monitor for all fitness enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.